welcome back to our channel. We are back with Amazon must-haves. This is part 2. हमने already part 1 किया है. If you have not seen that, go watch that first. Now moving on to this. This time we have a lot of different products and a lot of good variety. So I'm sure you're going to love this. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so the first product that I have is so exciting. So I have this Portronics rough pad. This is an 8.5 inch notepad, which is not a regular notepad, it's an electronic notepad. Okay, so this looks like this. It's like literally thin as paper. And what you have to do is there's a pen attached to it. So you just take out the pen like that and you scribble on it. Okay, like you write whatever you want to write, and there's a delete button over here, so you just press that and it's gone.
Oh my god.
Like I'll just write again and then gone. So it's genius.
Yeah.
And it has magnets on it, तो ये आप फ्रिज या कोई मैग्नेट बोर्ड पर भी लगा सकते हो. You can write your to-do list. You can write anything you want. आपको टाइम पास भी करना है तो you can buy this. It is just for $5.25 on Amazon, and pen आप attach कर सकते हो. And the best part is you don't need any electric plug points or इवन फॉर दैट मैटर कोई बैटरी भी नहीं. इट हैज एन इनबिल्ट बैटरी जो 2 साल तक चलती है, ऐसा एटलीस्ट इसके ऊपर लिखा है द बॉक्स के ऊपर. इफ यू लव मेकिंग टू डू लिस्ट यू नीड टू हैव दिस.
The next thing which I have is an MI band. This is a fitness band. I'm sure you guys have heard about this. It is one of the best purchases I've ever made. So lately I have been a lot into fitness. So this helps me to measure my steps के मैं दिन में कितने steps चल रही हूँ. If I'm working out, it has a workout mode, so it shows me how much calories did I burn, what was my maximum heart rate, what was my average heart rate, and a lot of other things. It also has a call notification, a message notification, and a really good things. This one was just for 2,500 rupees. I was eyeing on the Apple Watch since a long time, but that is for 30,000 rupees or more than that, to be honest. So वो budget में बैठ नहीं रहा था फिलहाल. So I feel this is a good way to start. Band also comes with a lot of colors, orange, green and all that. I like the black one the best, and इसको 10 दिन में एक बार चार्ज करना पड़ता है, 10 दिन में एक बार, which is really good. So this is my favorite ever thing.
So the next product that I have is this milk frother. This is from IKEA. You can get IKEA products on Amazon.
Yeah.
This one I bought for 138 rupees, which I think is a very cool price. And it has an on and off button here. तो मैं इसको जब on करूँगी, so it starts vibrating, and when it touches the surface, it stops working. आपको सिर्फ ऊपर से करना है. So the only the upper layer of the milk is froth. I actually bought this seeing Dhwani's vlogs. So Dhwani but actually recommended this in one of her videos, and that's the reason I bought it. And it's a savior. It's a very good decent product. And सिर्फ milk नहीं, आप इससे बहुत कुछ दूसरा भी कर सकते हो in the kitchen. But I use it to froth milk for my coffee, and I love it.
So continuing with fitness, I got 2 other more things from Amazon. First is a skipping rope. Oh my god, मेरे को skipping करना नहीं आता था guys. Before having this, I used to really not know how to skip. But after having this, I just love skipping. So it is just a normal skipping rope. But the best part about this is that this is an adjustable one. मेरे जैसे लोग जिनकी छोटी height होती है और इतना बड़ा skipping rope आता है तो बहुत difficult हो जाता है. So this has an adjustable.
Oh, that's
thing.
actually nice.
Yeah. So anyone can use it, be it a very tall person or be it a short person. And the second thing is a resistant band. So this is a set of 3 resistant bands. One with a light, medium and hard resistancy, which is again really good. This one retailed for around 500 rupees and this one retails for around 350 rupees. Again really good. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें लेने से फिटनेस में कितनी मोटिवेशन और इतनी मजा आती है.
Okay, then moving on, I have one neck piece that I bought from a brand called as You Bella. I mean, I've never heard of this brand. I was just browsing for a choker that I wanted for an outfit. And it's a rhinestone choker. This is how it looks. It has two lines of it. They had different options as well, like a 2-line, a 3-line and a 4-line. So I went for a 2-line. I usually don't own a lot of silver neck pieces because I just feel they don't look good on me. But I was wrong. This actually actually looks really nice on me. I bought this for 199 rupees. मैंने जो outfit के लिए मंगवाया था वो outfit नहीं आया अब तक, but ये आ गया है. So yeah, all in all I really like it. The quality is good. The rhinestones are not chunky. They are good quality.
Yeah, they look
basically.
stylish.
They look stylish. कोई silver jewelry ना बहुत cheap
Chunky
लगती है.
yeah.
But this doesn't look that. Earlier I thought 200 rupees for Amazon is expensive.
Yeah.
But मैंने एक similar pattern का Nykaa fashion पे देखा, which was for 545 or something, a 2-line only. So I think 200 was a decent
Yeah.
price. I think मैं अगर road से लेती तो मुझे cheaper में मिल जाता, but still I like the quality of
Yeah.
this, and it's an adjustable thing पीछे से, so that's also great. Amazon is my favorite place to shop.
Amazon भाई बंद नहीं हो रही है शॉपिंग
भाई मतलब I'm just randomly
I
buying
ordered
stuff.
a cycle. उसी का कॉल था, वो साइकिल असेंबल करना आया था.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, next Amazon must-haves में डिंकल साइकिल चलाती हुई दिखेगी आप लोग को. So keep that in mind.
अच्छा सच्ची में. Okay. So the next thing which I have is vloggers only made me buy this.
Yeah.
Everyone is
Mridul
raving
Sharma
about-
made you buy this.
Yeah, exactly. Mridul made me buy this. उसने कितने उसके वीडियोस में बोल दिया, उसके बाद you know like चल भाई ले ही लेते हैं. So these are bamboo toothbrushes, plain bamboo toothbrushes. I really like how this toothbrushes looks like, you know, fancy brushes जैसे दिखते हैं. This one the MRP retails for 300 rupees, but Amazon पे obviously you'll always get some sale. So I got it for 215 for 4 brushes. Not that expensive and not that cheap.
Yeah, but I think these are going to last you much longer as compared to the
Exactly.
plastic ones.
Yes, and obviously it is good for your
Yeah,
environment.
yeah.
तो होने वाला है. Packaging. So 4 brushes आते हैं, हर एक individual box में आता है. Then again it comes in an individual paper.
Fancy schmancy.
And all of the 4 has different colors over here.
Oh. These are soft. These are not hard as
Yeah,
well.
yeah. उसमें options
I like
है.
this.
Soft, medium and hard.
Oh.
I opted for the soft one.
Okay.
So yeah, really good brushes.
Okay, so the next thing that I have is this table right here. This is a very like aesthetic table, I
Yeah,
would say.
bloggery table.
Bloggery table, yeah. And that's the only reason I bought
Yeah.
it. Firstly, my living room ka theme is brown and gold only. So it went really well with that firstly. Secondly, इसमें बहुत सारे shapes और patterns भी थे. I went for the circle one with this sort of an abstract
Yeah.
triangular geometric something work on it, and it has golden legs. The legs are really fancy.
Yeah.
And I actually bought this for 400 rupees. The MRP is 999, but again Amazon पे prices बहुत fluctuate होते हैं, so आप save for later करके रखो.
Yeah.
जब भी price आपको कम लगे just buy it. I did the same for this. I actually bought this seeing that quirky miss का Amazon must-haves or some sort of home decor video, and उसमें she showed this and it is just so pretty. I will insert a picture here. इसके ऊपर मैंने एक flower pot लाया, छोटा सा artificial flower pot, and it looks so cute in the corner. I mean कोई बच्चा बैठ सकता है इस पे. I don't think कोई बड़ा बैठ पाएगा, but it's quite heavy and sturdy anyways. I can use this as a prop for my shoots. I can use this as a decor piece, of course. So yeah, I bought that.
The next thing which I got is this very fancy brush cleaner. This is by a brand called as Code Beauty. First of all, the packaging is so good, and when you open it, it also looks so good. Like the color of it is so nice. So this is just a normal brush cleaner, but it has goat milk in it and a lot of other things, rose and yang and a lot of good things. So this one retails for 899 rupees, but मैंने 50% off पे order किया था, so I got it for around 450 rupees, which is very cheap. It is really good. During the time of COVID, or not even without the time of COVID, I have to clean my brushes really regularly if I'm using on clients, on someone else. I'm a person who loves cleaning my brushes, so this is what I really needed. And next I got this antibacterial cosmetic disinfector. This is again a very fancy thing. This one retails just for 99 rupees, and ये pen के format में है. So So this is how it looks like, and whatever you're using, you just need to spray it and it will disinfect it. So if I'm traveling as a makeup artist and I need to clean my palette or any other thing, I feel this is a really good thing to have.
So the next thing that I have, as I said, I'm obsessed with home decor. This is not a decor piece, it's an organizing piece. So it's a fabric storage box. ऐसा दिखता है, it's huge, like literally more than my size. So it comes with a lid firstly. Sorry if this frame is awkward, but this came in a set of 3 and I paid 799 for it. So एक 200 रुपए का कुछ पड़ा, 250 का something. And ये वाले में I have all of my PJs. You can see I have organized it, and ऊपर भी काफी space है. I can make a second row also ऊपर, but as of now I've done only this, and I have 6 of these. मतलब मैंने 2 sets order किए. So wardrobe में ना वो बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. And again my wardrobe is brown, so this color is really good, matches really nicely. It comes in 2 to 3 different colors as well, and it's a great way of storing stuff. I have so many clothes, it's not funny. And सब कुछ ना hanger में नहीं आता है. You need to fold and put it in, and this saves up a lot of space. And the one thing that I've noticed after I redid my wardrobe recently, it really compels me to keep it organized. Because pehle I used to just dump things, but now that I have these organizers, it just feels that okay, I need to fold it and keep it immediately, which I think is a great habit from now itself.
For me, this is the last thing, but the most cutest thing. So I have started journaling and have started collecting a lot of notebooks. So I have 2 notebooks which I got from Amazon. Both of them are so cute. So the first one says love. These are ruled pages. Also, the best part about this notebook is that it comes with sticker paper.
Oh, that is so
cute. Cute stickers over here. It has 2 pages of stickers. Also, I love spiral binded books. So it makes me more comfortable to write. And then this is the second notebook. Again, a really pretty page. This says she believed she could, so she did. Very cute. It is such a nice, like all the pages of it is so good. Again, a very ruled. I've not started using this. Very good. So yeah, these are both journals which I've loved.
Yeah, guys, that is it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then
please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.